Hi, hello traders. Welcome back to JJP Trading Academy YouTube channel. So in our YouTube channel previously in one of the video we have posted about our profit blaster indicator. So profit blaster indicator full configuration setup has been discussed in the previous video. I wish every traders to watch that video, then only you can understand how to include and use our indicator in live market. We have discussed full overview of our indicator and how to fix alert and how to automate. If you want to do multiple stocks also, you can automate it. We have discussed in the previous video, and now in this video I am just going to explain you the live performance of our stocks which is given in Telegram, and how to take the Telegram to a watch list, and what are all the signals has been came in the past week. I am just going to show you the random stocks here so that you can understand how the signal is performing, how much success rate is going to happen in the past days, so that we can easily see the backtest using the signal of our indicator now itself. So I'm just going to show you the full performance right now. Before going on to this video, I wish every traders to watch the previous video, then only you can understand the full settings of this indicator. As well as we have also came up with many clients about some of the doubts in our indicator, so that also I will be discussing in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Now I have opened Nifty chart with 5 minutes time frame. I am just going to include our indicator. So clicking on indicators, after clicking on invite only script, now you can see our indicator JJP profit blaster. So I am just including it right now. So now we are getting the signals for Nifty chart. As well as you can see the table of this indicator is a default setting. As well as you can also see the overall trend of the market, sell side as well as buy side. It will be denoting at which time the overall trend of the market is changed. So this all the setups we have discussed in the previous videos. Okay, so now I am just opening on the indicator settings and clicking on static zones. So this static zones will be formed in the first candle itself. So starting first candle itself, it will be started. So once you click OK, now you can see this static zones. These static zones are more powerful for a basic trader. If you are a trader and if you want to make a accuracy entry, so if you want to make a, if you are trading with a signal, means before going on to the signal, we should see on the particular chart where this static zones is available. So you should know whether the zone is available downside of the candles or upside of the candles. If the sell entry is coming here, for example, means we should avoid that sell entry, because the target is here only, because this demand and supply zones, this static zones will be more powerful, and it will be most probably it will be rejecting the candles. So from this zone the candles will be get rejected, so that only we are, if we are getting any sell entry here, means we should avoid that type of entries, so that only these zones will be more helpful for intraday trader. So now I am just opening, I have included all the setups now. So now we will be screening on to the Telegram stock alerts, and we will be seeing on the chart what are the stocks which is coming. We will be seeing on the chart. Blaster Telegram group. So this is a 402 batch group. So separately we will be adding you in a group. Once you get access with our indicator, you will be added in this group. So this group, you can see this is December 1. So we have received many stock list at 11 o'clock. Sharply at 11 o'clock you will be getting all the stock list. So these are the stock list which will be providing you the high probable signals. So high probable signals will be available only in this stock, so that only we are screening here. And this stock list we are providing, right? This stock list, all the stock lists are being provided only in Nifty 50 stocks. We are not providing other stocks like Nifty 500. So other stocks, Bank Nifty related stocks. So if the stock is available in Nifty 50, means then only this stock list will be coming in our Telegram group. Other stocks and all, you can also create an alert in our indicator itself, and you can screen that, because now as per our group we are just providing only the Nifty 50 stocks. So after seeing on the chart, so now you will be getting an add-on watch list TCS in 11 o'clock on December 1. So I am just going on to our indicator in TradingView. I am just opening TCS stock. So once after getting the watch list, I am just opening the TCS stock. The basic setting of our indicator to get all the alerts with a high probable entry. So if you click on the settings of our indicator, you will be having only HP entry. I am just enabling this. So we are going to take only the HP entries, even though if we are getting a 10 stocks, so 10 or 15 stocks, if we are getting in a Telegram group also, we are not going to take all the stocks. We are going to filter it out with only HP entries and clicking on OK. Okay, so now you will be also knowing the TCS stock we are going to see, right? So in this TCS stock, we know all the setups, how the zones are going to react and how the direction of the overall trend of this particular stock we are going to see here. And after getting the confirmation of the signal, we are going to take entry. So now you can see here, I am just going to keep it on replay mode for this signal. So TCS 11 o'clock, okay. So after 11 o'clock, we are going to screen this stock. If you can't watch the particular stock continuously, you can create an alert itself just by going on to the indicator, clicking on these three dots and create an add alert. And in this add alert, you can also create a buy signal alert separately and create as a long entry message. And after that, you can create it. And for separately for sell entry also, you can create short entry, so that you will be notified in the alert box. So whenever the alert is coming, whenever the signal is coming, you will be notified. So after that, you can go for the particular stock and see whether the buy signal has been came and how the situation of the particular stock. So the situation is more important. You should react according to the situation. That is more important. The patience in trading is more important. We have also got some of the clients saying that there is no signal in every stocks. Why you need a signal in every stock? As a basic, we need to make money and we need to make a successful trade. That is more important. We are not going to take every stocks. Every stock trading is not more important than trading a single stock with a perfect accuracy. Perfect accuracy is more important than trading every stocks. Some of the traders are asking, even though if we fix 10 stocks in the watch list, we are not getting a signal for the particular stock. Every stocks are not giving a signal. So this type of queries we are getting from the clients. But we need to say only one thing to the clients, because you should not see every stocks to be traded today. We just need a high accuracy signal, only one trade. If it is coming also, it's okay. Go on to that particular chart. If all the setups are clear for that particular stock, take the trade. So now you can see actually the 11 o'clock, the entry 11 o'clock, this stock has been screened, right? So after 11 o'clock, we are seeing each and every candle. But if you are creating the alert, means it is more easy. Otherwise, in this table, you can include all the stock list. So in this table, you can include all the stock list. So whatever the stocks it's coming in the Telegram, we will be including it, so that currently what is the position of the stock, it will be showing. If the long entry came or not, you can easily identify. So you can see the TCS, there is no signal. The long entry is not triggered till now. It is not came. So that you can wait for the next candles whether the signal is coming or not. So now you can see perfectly it is notified on this candle, 12:35 candle. So again I will be keeping here so that you can understand. Okay, so 1 minute, I am just going to the previous candle also. Okay, now there is no signal in this box. So because there is no buy signal, so that in 12:25 there is no signal. So there is no signal, it is showing. So if you are going for the next candle by replay mode, so once the signal is confirmed, here you can see perfectly the long entry has been came, so that you can easily identify which stock has been given the current long entry. You just watch this Table means you can understand which stock has been given the current long entry or short entry. After identifying, go on to the stock and open the stock name with the as per the alert. You just open the stock. After now you just make the analysis whether is the stock is eligible for trading. So how we can find the stock is eligible for trading? As a basic, you can see the 1055 candle itself, the trend of the particular stock has been changed to buy side. So buy side 1055 candle itself, it has been changed. So you can see from 1055 the market is still bullish and it is again and again taking an support in our demand zone. Okay, so again and again it is taking and support in a demand zone, and now we are going to take the entry. As well as we are also having another zone here. So this is also an important zone. These two zones are more important. So again the market still trading inside these zones, so that we can also expect rejection back in this zone also, but we should make this entry because this is a HP buy entry and still the stock is in a buy side. So we are going to take this entry and we are going to keep the stop loss. Stop loss is more important in every trade. Stop loss is more important. So now 3493, this is the price of the stop loss limit. So you can fix it in your demat the stop loss price perfectly, and you can wait for the target as 3514. The price of the target is also mentioned in our indicator, so perfectly you can wait and see how the stock has been performed. So now it has been the second candle itself, it has been crossed our zone, so we can be more confident that this trade is perfect trade. Okay, so again you can see there is a rejection. Okay, we are waiting patiently. Patience is more important. You can see till the intraday exit this trade is active. The stop loss has been not hit till the intraday exit. This trade is active, and finally in the last candle only the target has been reached, the first target. Okay, so first target itself we have kept defaultly 0.38% in our settings of the indicator. The stop loss as well as target is 0.38%. so 0.38 taking in stocks is more high. If you are trading in stocks with a scalping, you will be trading with the higher amounts. So in this type of situation, you will be just aiming for 0.1% as a target. Most of the traders will be just aiming for 2 to 3 points, but 0.38 is the best risk reward ratio, because if a stop loss is hit in a single stock also, other stocks will be working fine. So in this type of situation, 0.38% target will be helpful for every trader, so that only defaultly we have kept 0.38. If you want, you can also change it in the settings, but default settings are more important, because as per our analysis of this every stocks only, we kept as 0.38. So let us see with other stock, Adani. So now you can see the Adani stock has been listed here, and actually the signal has been came in 12 o'clock. Actually this signal is not valid. So why, you can say, you can also understand now itself. So I am just opening on the replay mode also. So it is very easy to denote that this signal is validated or not. Actually you just see here, the overall trend of the market is buy side at 235. So till previous day 235, from that timing, so you can see the market has been full bullish. From 235 till now the market stays in a bull side, that is a buy side trend. So we should not expect for sell entry, but our signal has been came for HP sell has been came in this candle for sell entry and with us and with the target of 2358. Even though this stock has been reached the target, but we should not consider this as a high probable entry, because now we are getting our zone here. Our zone is if we are taking a sell entry, means there may be a rejection in this zone itself. so that we should not take this type of entry. This is a risky type of entry. Even though our sell entry, HP sell entry has been confirmed, why we are not taking this entry means this is going to reject back. There is a scenario that it can also get rejected back in our static zones. So you can see, right, orange color zone as well as violet purple zones are here. If the market is coming back here means, so already it has taken a support and it has gone back, so there may be retest entry also. So for retest alone they can come. So this may be a trap or false signal. So this type of signals, if you are avoiding and taking only a sure shot entries, means sure you can make a good profit and consistent profits with our indicator. So every rules and whatever. So now you can see again also there is a confirmation that sell entry is sell side, the market has been changed in only in this candle. So this is another confirmation. Even though I will not be taking this stock because our zones are powerful, this is more powerful, so I am just not going to avoid this stock. So now you can see even this stock has been reached our target, but I have not considered this stock as a perfect high probable entry. So like this you can filter it out. Every stock, each and every stock, if you are going and seeing if it is a perfect stock for the trade entry and target is there and there is no demand and supply zones, then perfectly you can go for that stock and take the trade. Okay, so again we will be going for HDFC Bank. I am just choosing here. Actually I am not showing you the trendful days, I am showing you the range bound days. So in range bound days itself you can understand how our how our indicator is working. So you can see totally 2 trades we have seen, right? So in the 2 trades also the first target has been reached. So now you can know about the win ratio of our indicator. Even though I am showing you in a sideways market. So you can see here this is the first entry, I think, because in 11 o'clock candle itself this buy signal has been came. So in 10:55 there is no signal and the market has been changed to buy side in 12:55 candle itself. So that is perfect, and we are having the demand and supply here. So the demand and supply zone is downside only. If you are taking a buy entry in this scenario, it is good. If you are taking a sell entry, means your target should be at least above this. If the target is here, means you can go for a sell entry. But if the target is here, means you should not go for a sell entry. That is what the current scenario. Okay, now the buy signal has been triggered. Buy signal entry has been came for, and it is also notified in the watch list. HDFC Bank, the long entry is notified, and now you can go for the buy entry and your first target will be 1565. So 0.38% is the first target, and stop loss is also 1556. So you can easily note this point and you can fix it in your demat itself. Stop loss is more important. So once you take the entry for buy entry, now everything is perfect, and buy side the trend is there and demand and supply is in downside. So we are going for a long entry. Okay, now you can see, even though we have analyzed everything perfect, so the buy side the trend is there and the buy entry has been taken, but now our stop loss has been hit now. So no problem, I have made all the analysis. After making the analysis, I am going to take the trade, and if the stop loss is entered, no problem, because we are only taking high probable entries. If you are consistently trading high probable entries in every stocks, then you will be a successful trader. If you are taking a random stock, random signals, if you are taking, that is your fault. After making analysis, if the stop loss is entered, stop loss hunting is a reality of market. There is no wrong thing. If the stop loss is entered, your strategy is going wrong, our indicator is going wrong. No, now you are making a perfect risk management with 0.38% as a stop loss and 0.38 1:1 ratio. Even though I am following a perfect schedule, before making an entry, I'm making every analysis of the demand and supply and overall trend of the market, So after that only I'm making an entry. So if this entry goes wrong, don't make any frustration, don't make any emotions to the market. Go on to the next trade. Search for the next trade. Simultaneously search every stocks. If each and every stocks, whatever the stocks you are getting, go and trade on that stock. That is what I can recommend. So whenever you are getting the signal, you can see here this signal is also triggered in 11 o'clock. The same time the previous stock also triggered. So two stocks you should trade simultaneously. You should be more faster because our alert will be coming here itself. So this stock alert is Titan. So Titan is not included. So you just, once you get the alerts in our Telegram, you just go and include all the stock. I am just including it. Okay. So that only the whatever the signals currently going on all the stocks you can see simultaneously. You should take the trades in every stocks. If you have the capacity to take the trades every stock, you just trade. Otherwise, if you can trade only 5 stocks, you can trade 5 stocks. If you can trade all the stocks, you can just wait and take the signals of every counter stocks. Then consistently, if you are trading, sure you will be a successful trader. That is what more important. Consistency, risk management, and patience is the more key, and it is the best key to success. So now I am just waiting for the indicator to update. Okay. So now let us see the stock has been came for Titan, and the stop loss is 3474 and demand and supply is downside. So you can easily take this buy entry, and the buy side the market trend is changed only today 920 candle only. So perfectly 920 candle is the perfect bullish retracement candle. So now you can make a higher confirmation the market still in bullish and the buy entry came, stop loss is here, target is here. Let's take this trade. Okay, so the first target has been reached. So every trade first target is more and more enough, because now we are going to take all the trades, right? So even though if you are taking all the trades, 1:1 risk reward ratio is very perfect, and the win ratio will be increasing. If you are taking this type of trades continuously, the win ratio is also increased for your every trades. Month wise, if you see, means at least if you are taking 40 stocks, if you are getting a target hit for 30 stocks also, it's good, because 1:1 ratio we are following, right? Even though if the stop loss is set for the past trend trades, then no problem. That is why we are using this indicator for every stock segments you can trade. If you are not interested to trade in Nifty 50 stocks, you can just create an alert for other stocks. Easily you can create an alert. Just enable on only HP entries option and go for the okay. After that, search any stock in the watch list. So basically we have created all the stock list. This is Nifty 100 stocks. Nifty 50 stock list alone we have created the alert in our Telegram. So these stocks only will be based on Nifty 50. If you want to trade more stocks than this, you can also trade. You can just open other watch list like Nifty 100 or Nifty 200. So this watch list you should download as a PDF file, as a CSV file separately, and you should import here, import list. So this you should download a list, so you can also WhatsApp us, we will be sending you the watch list also. So this is Nifty 100 stocks. If you want to take any other trade, ACC, you just go onto the particular stock, create an alert with HP entries. You should enable the HP entry, then create the alert. Then only this will be working for HP entries. So now you can go for buy or sell, long entry or short entry. Every alert perfectly you can keep. Now you can see I have opened a Tata Consumers, so which is given in our stock list. Okay, so Tata Consumers, the buy side trend has been changed in 240. So you can see the buy side trend has been changed for 250 candle in the previous day itself. 250 candle, you can see after the 250 candle, the market started in a good bullish move. After that, our buy signal has been came here. Even though the market is getting some rejections back inside the zone, we are going to take this entry, and our target is here and stop loss is here. So you can see another zone is also downside only, so that we can consider this type of entry also. So you can see now stop loss and target here. Okay, now the target has been reached here. So this is how you should be more patient, and enough patience should be there, because stocks will not be giving a good moments like Bank Nifty and Nifty index. If you are trading with the index for options, means you can easily capture some profit in a certain 2 or 3 candles. But if you are a stock trader, you should have bigger investment. Otherwise, if you are trading with a small investment or small capital also, you should wait patiently to hit the target. But at least you should get 0.38 as a first target. If you are just exiting with the 2 to 3 candles, means other time if you are waiting for the stop loss with 0.38, means that is a wrong type of trades. Please avoid this type of trades. At least you should get first target to be hit. Until that, wait patient. If this target hit or stop loss hit, you should wait anything. Okay, that's all traders. I have explained about many stocks, how the stock has been performed in a sideways range market. That is why I have made this video on this day. This is a sideways range market. Even in sideways range market, our indicator is performing very well. In trendful market, you can expect more and more targets to be hit. As a basic, you as a beginner, you just start trading as a first target as a basic entry, and maintain the stop loss perfectly, and make all the good analysis. Whatever you can do with our indicator, you can do it, and after that you can make the entry. I hope this indicator and this video will be useful for you to understand how this indicator is working perfectly in live market also. If you have any other doubts regarding this indicator settings, you can watch the previous video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to our channel. We will be meeting on the next video. Thank you, traders.